Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV test drive here in this 2021 Mercedes-AMG E63S. Now, just a brief look here at the interior. We've got the beautiful black on black with yellow contrast stitching and piping, and the optional carbon fiber. But let's take a quick look at the outside. I hope you can see some. If you can't see it here, I'll just overlay some footage. Anyhow, what are we going to do in this night POV drive, soft closed doors? We are going to go for a relaxed drive. This is not supposed to be sporty, you know, this is an E63S, but don't worry, we have other POV drives where we go over the sportiness, and we have like a sound video where we literally, I'm probably only talking at the end, that's it, and everything else is just pure exhaust sound. And of course, we also have a full review where I go over everything. We have a whole lot of fun with this 600 horsepower wagon. You can find that in the top right hand corner. And yeah, but what I wanted to say, what we're going to do in this night POV, a relaxed drive towards the place where I clean my cars, because this one's a little filthy and I want to do some more filming tomorrow. And yeah, we're also, besides from just having a relaxed drive, for the first time ever we're going to test the stereo in a POV drive. I have no idea how that will turn out, but we'll try it nonetheless. And yeah, I'd say without further ado, let's go hop on in, start her up, and let her run. Those were the days when Sab Kyle, he still uploads videos. But it was the guy that got me into making car videos in the beginning, or at least like influenced me heavily. Cool guy. If you never checked out Sab Kyle, check him out. Anyhow, let's turn off all the lights. All right. Still have this one on, sorry. And let's go for a drive. We are in comfort mode, and I intend on staying in comfort mode. Maybe if the opportunity opens up, we can open her up a little, but so far, I don't think that will happen. What we're also going to do is we're going to turn on the heated seats and the ventilated seats, and why don't we also turn on the heated steering wheel? Heated seats because, well, it's always nice on a night to have a kind of warm back, right? But the heated ventilated seats also, so it doesn't accumulate the heat and will still be nice and comfortable in terms of temperature. Now, what you already may be seeing is this little blue dot. You can probably not see exactly what that is. Let me actually turn on the ventilated seats a little bit because it gets a little loud. What the car is doing is switching into 4-cylinder mode. So we're literally driving a 4-cylinder right now. So pretty much a 2-cylinder, 2-liter 4-cylinder right now, instead of our V8. It does add fuel economy, of course. I could tell you if that's good for fuel economy normally, but not in this case, because quite frankly, I've been in Sport Plus the whole time. Because I was just enjoying this car. So I have no idea what the fuel economy is. But as far as I know, it's not too bad, but it's still a 600 horsepower car. So it's not gonna be great either, right? That's just also why we're at it, you know. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Massage me.
I'm switching on the massage.
There we go, we have multiple different modes. So we have, right now we have the hot relaxing back massage. Honestly, I like the wave massage a little more, so let's enable that one. Because it kind of rolls through and is a bit more activating, I guess. And I know there's an activating massage too, but I don't know. I like the wave massage. Wave massage is always nice. And we're gonna test the audio system here in a bit. And it's just gonna be, like I said, just a relaxed little drive here in this E63S. Like you might be driving it if you buy it, and you're not hooning around it all the time. Sometimes you want to conserve fuel, or sometimes you just want to drive home in a relaxed manner. I mean, it's 1:15 at night. Still kind of busy for that, actually, but you don't always want to redline it. Although you do want to do that very often, I'll be honest. Very, very often. Alright, let's keep on driving here. always love this bridge. Just looks so cool with the lighting, and it kind of fits to our ambient lighting as well. Look at that. That's perfect, eh? Of course, our ambient lighting can be customized, many different colors, and even like animations in there. So I mean, it's a Mercedes interior. It is. They know how to do lighting and how to make it look really nice and comfy. But you know, why don't we test out the stereo? That's just a Spotify, like, non-DMCA playlist. Please don't judge the style of music that it might be. I haven't really listened to it either. Just kind of looked at one that wasn't too wild, because it's more like an adrenaline playlist, I think. We'll see. Let's turn it up. Pretty good. Now it gets fast, okay. I hope that was kind of audible for you guys, and I hope it was actually DMCA free music. Otherwise, this would have been kind of unfortunate now. Anyhow, pretty good sound system. Although I did tweak it a teeny tiny bit, put the bass up 1, put the mids down 2, and put the treble down 1. I'll be honest, I don't have a clue what I'm doing here. Like, I know what the bass does, I know what the mid does. I don't even have a clue what treble is, but guys. But I'm pretty okay at hearing when something sounds off a little to me. I know this was all set up by people who have like decades of experience and probably studied all that stuff in university. And I'm just going like, oh, it's just kind of set up wrong. So they're probably like, no, it's not. Personally, though, most of the time I don't need to change anything in cars. In this one, I felt like I need to change a little bit, specifically the mids. It sounded a little too strong. So I set it up a little different, and I think now it sounds nicer. But let's turn it off and focus back on driving. We can actually take a map here. So why not? We're using the Super Sport gauges. Normally in the other Mercedes, GLA, GLB, GLE that we've had so far, I always used gauges where I have the map on it, even sometimes having the map full screen. But this is an AMG. Like, how can I not have the gear and the tachometer be the center of our attention? How could I not? And I haven't been driving anywhere really where I don't know where I'm going, and if I do that, I can just open it on my screen, on my second screen, right? Generally, I find it way better integrated, the screens. I complained about in the GLA and the GLB. I liked it a little more in the GLE because it was kind of integrated into the vents. Here, actually, I like it too. It's still not perfect, but this overhang here, I don't know if you can even see it, there's this little overhang, really does a great job at integrating it a little more. Also, it shields it from the sunlight. If you're driving maybe towards noon, right, it could technically shine in there. And yeah, no, I like this. I like this integration. That's a good design. So now we're gonna turn. Actually, let's try. Maybe we're lucky with a light. No, we're not. It's fine. Of course, we also have our sunroof here. Just pretty nice. I don't know if you can see anything because nothing up there is lit up right now. But we do have a sunroof though. You can see it a little probably. And it's just a relaxing drive. Like, it is so cool how they made a car that is insanely capable, but at the same time, super practical and really comfortable. You do compromise a little with this E63S, I'll be honest. The ride is a little louder because the tires do make a lot of noise, and the ride is a little harsh, although the comfort mode does a good job. But we still have 20-inch wheels. We have like so little sidewall on our tires. You can't really remedy that with your suspension. So impacts will be felt. Harsher impacts are like, you know, these smaller, harsher bumps, especially those transfer to you. But it is really only a thing of getting used to. I got out of a Tahoe, like a almost fully spec Tahoe, the day before. The day I picked this up, essentially, I gave back a Tahoe, got to this, obviously completely different vehicle. But that was like when I noticed, okay, this is pretty loud, and oh, this is kind of harsh riding, of course, in comparison to a truck. Of course, this is harsh riding. But what I'm trying to say here is that after like the next day, I didn't really even notice it anymore. Just because sometimes in direct comparison to a different vehicle, some things seem like there could be problems, but once you get used to the vehicle, in this case the E63, you notice it's not an issue. It's not an issue whatsoever. It's really nice and comfortable. And I mean, that's what the E63 is known for, right? For being kind of the best all-rounded car there is. If you only could have one car, this might be it. Might be, because that's the answer to the question we're answering in the POV drive. So, and the review, obviously. So, like I said, make sure to check out that review. Put a lot of effort in that one, and I think it turns out really well. Mercedes,
How may I help you?
stop the massage, please.
I'm switching off the massage.
Alright, I had enough now. Like, I had the massage on for like 50% of the time I'm driving this, so my back has just been tormented with like pushing here, pushing there. So I love it. It's just some point it's just enough sometimes. Sometimes you just want to have a flat surface to sit against. We also have a hold function, so if I just keep pressing the brake pedal, it'll change to hold right there. And now I don't need to do that. It's better integrated than in most cars, because for some reason other manufacturers put the hold function on a button, so you have to press it. First of all, you have to re-enable it every single time you get into the car and start it. And then it's holding every single time. So you come to a stop, and it's holding. And this one is way better. So if I wanted to hold, I have to press the brake pedal a lot further in than I would usually do. So I come to a stop, and then I press it further, and then it gets the hold function. Not like I come to a stop and it automatically goes into hold, which is sometimes you don't want that in creeping traffic, or in like a traffic jam. You don't want it to hold every single time. So that's why it's a really good integration. It just makes driving a little bit more comfortable. Alright, and we're almost there already. Giving her a good wash. Nice and squeaky clean for the last videos that I'm shooting tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow, I'll already have to give her back, unfortunately. But that's how this is. That's how this works. But I'm sure we'll get another cool car soon. Actually, we do. I already know about one. But there will be more to come. So, yeah. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Reviews coming every Friday, 11 a.m. New review. Plus, we got POVs, we got walkarounds, we got pure sound videos. We got it all. Let's drive. What are you doing, my friend? You going in there? All right, let's just go to Buddy here. Anyhow, we're just gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, make sure to hit the bell. And yeah, I'll wash this car. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.